Welcome to day 1, Cultivating Greater Awareness. Awareness is the way to go inward, and it's the first and the most important step we can take towards healing. The greater awareness is within us, waiting to be found. Far too often we get stuck at the level of the mind, feeling an urgent need to fix what we don't like. This way of reacting results in unsatisfactory results, as the awareness at the level of the mind is limited. So this meditation will guide you to a field of greater awareness, a more neutral state, so we can discover our greater truth. Here, we make a shift from reacting to responding, and from thinking to being. When the external world is full of conflict and confusion, cultivating greater awareness provides us with an internal reference. So go ahead and take a moment to get comfortable. You can be sitting on the floor, on the chair, cross-legged, or find a way to sit that is comfortable for you. Take a moment to close your eyes and just gently drop into the body. Let's go ahead and begin with your hips. Allow the hips to become heavy into the chair, into your seat. Noticing if the weight is even on both sides. Lean into the hips so the weight of the body moves through the center of the hips and down into the floor or the chair. As the hips become heavy, allow your legs all the way down to your feet to become heavy and relax. Now just gently lift the belly. As you do that, your spine will begin to lengthen and the chest will begin to lift. The shoulders will lift, and go ahead and gently relax the shoulders into the back. Turn your head from side to side and then allow it to rest in the middle of your shoulders. Gently scanning the body from your toes all the way to your fingertips. Noticing if there's tension in any part of the body. Easing into the tension. If you need to move a little bit more so you can get even more comfortable, go ahead and do that. So noticing what there is to notice in the body and allow it to be, allow it to relax as it is. Much the same way, tune into the activity in the mind. Is there any worry or an unresolved thought? Allow it to be, and just gently turn your awareness to your breath. So above the base of your upper lip, below your nostrils, noticing your inhale and your exhale. On the inhale, you may notice a cooling influx of air through your nostrils. And on the exhale, you may notice a touch of warm, moist air on the base of your upper lip. See if you can hear the sound of your breath. And notice the movement of the breath in your body. Movement in your chest, your ribs, and perhaps your belly. Notice there's a rhythm to the breath. Each inhale is seamlessly joining the next exhale, and each exhale is seamlessly joining the next inhale. You are now beginning to breathe consciously as you tune into the sound, the movement, and the rhythm of the breath. Notice how this has slowed the breath down. Notice how just paying attention to the breath has allowed you to relax a little bit more. Now, with this conscious breath, see if you can ease into your body even more. If there's any tension rising to the surface, allow the breath to soften and ease that tension. Now let's go ahead and articulate the breath a little more. With your next inhale, gently direct the breath to your belly. Allow the belly to expand. And then lengthen the breath all the way towards the top of your head. When you feel the breath is full, take a U-turn and empty it out. End of the exhalation, gently pull the navel in to exhale completely. Again, inhale, directing the breath to your belly. Allow the belly to expand as you lengthen the breath up towards the top of your head. Without any force, when you feel the fullness of the breath, just simply take a U-turn and begin to empty it out. Just a slight effort at the end of the exhale when you pull the navel in to exhale completely. Now go ahead and gently slide your hands over the belly. And with your next inhale, breathing into the belly. So you can feel the belly expand into the palms of your hands. And as you exhale, notice how the belly is moving away from the hands towards the back. So just a gentle focus on the belly. So as you inhale again, just focusing on the belly a little more. Expand the belly, let it expand into the palms of your hands. And as you exhale, allow the belly to move towards the back. Again, inhale, expanding the belly into your palms. And the breath is still lengthening up. We're just focusing a little bit more into the belly. And exhale, notice the belly moving towards the back. Now just gently guide the breath with your hands as you slide your hands to the sides and the lowest parts of the belly, breathing into this space, filling this space with your breath. That's it. Inhale, breathing into the belly, especially where the hands are. Continue to breathe, and as you exhale, allow the belly to move towards the back. One more time, inhale, expanding the belly into all the areas in the belly. And exhale, allow the belly to move away from the hands. Now just gently slide your hands to the back with your fingers pointing downwards and guide the breath to move into this space. You will feel the expansion where your hands are as you inhale, and notice the ever so gentle movement at the same area as you exhale. Now slowly slide the hands forward to the belly and just notice if your entire belly feels breathed. Is there another space where you would like to guide your breath to? If yes, then just simply move your hands to that space and consciously breathe into the space. Very good. Inhale, feel the belly expanding in all the directions, forward, back, sideways, up and down. And exhale, from the periphery, the belly is moving back into the center. Now simply rest your hands on the belly as if you are gently embracing your belly. Feel the breath. This easy, fluid, and effortless breath that has now found its way more in your belly. You may notice a little soreness or slight discomfort in the belly. Whatever we experience in the belly first, without being aware of it. Imagine a lifetime of experiences stored in the belly, waiting to be released or processed. The soreness or the discomfort is a result of the release process. That said, do continue to relax into the soreness with the breath. Just being here. No thinking, just being. Belly starting to feel more and more alive, yet comfortable. Notice your body, perhaps a little more relaxed than when you started. Notice the mind, that worry or the unresolved thought that you had started with. Is it still there? Notice the quality of your breath, the rhythmic, slow, gentle, and very settling breath. You may feel a little softer, gentler, perhaps less guarded. Just enjoy this experience. Enjoy being in your body. Now, ever so gently, go ahead and open your eyes and look at what's right in front of you. Look at it as if you are looking at it for the very first time. Now look into it as if you're looking inside it, beyond it. So this ability to look deeply is a result of greater awareness. Now gently close your eyes and ask if there's anything in your life that you may need to look deeply into, or you may need to look at it with fresh new eyes. So if you were to use this little exercise or that in your life, what might you see? Gently set an intention to carry this greater awareness with you throughout the day and notice how it affects the quality of your experience. Now slowly open your eyes. And if you like, take a moment to write down any insights or any other experiences or anything else that may have come up for you. Hope this greater awareness brings more calm and ease to your day. And I will meet you on day 2.